Lawyer Maurice Ampaw exposés Nii Armah Quaye, Billionaire now who did the 40th birthday in a grand style at Ghana Independence Square. No. Lawyer Maurice Ampaw exposing a very big time concerning the wealth and birthday course and many other interesting stories. I Penyah block media. Message say any day over like a video another room over subscribers and so. Now be click bell notification icon for latest updates. I will tell you when dem am e comments. Message say obaswa. No share video mo nya so enya bi ahwe. Ain't the most talked about birthday there's in the history of Africa. Akoso a birthday so for Richard Nii Armah Quaye, billionaire or Ghana. I was celebrating the 40th birthday. He's only the youngest billionaire we have, can I say, in Africa, because 40 years. Now the Japan the worth any the Abusia and to buy Bugatti Chiron and private jet that worth $25 million, and Bugatti Chiron that worth $4 million. In addition, that makes 29 million US dollars plus duties and other things. The guy be what? The guy be what? It's in the birthday, no, the most talked about. It's also been done. Now, mind what is the source of money? Nisi can say, I'm not be sharing the story because oh, or share 5,000 plates and be a billionaire. Oh, no, as I can at the age of 22 years, no ma save whisker, I'm the two go UK. A woman, no, as I can start my business, me turn me TV, just a boost for TV, and there's an Instagram story. No, is this so magana for? What does the story is so, and this is so, story is so. What does it so? And I'm first claim say ABI or court to society TV now when you join up so kind of credit. It's a whole lot. And on the birthday celebration, of course, in fact, now a mega birthday or invite him to Fokukudam, any prominent people from outside, about minimum, any Ghana local artists, maybe so ever be winning friends, maybe or invite you, but ya much as Nii Armah Mensa, that is at all, ya man invitation, any other shatter out, maybe, and I know cause a whole lot of conversation around this birthday celebration. Now, Lawyer Maurice Ampaw or her any may cause so birthday no help pana the Japadi or what? And I say, hey. Now at 40 pana over a Japade radio, how come? It also on Tiasie, said Richard Nii Armah Quaye, over this particular work. It was exposed to the very big time.
Is the man of the moment. Honorary party, I'll call you the 40 years, you know. When we like only local artists, I offer artists be fee, or see Tanzania. I'm at $250,000. Na boy be jida hona obu atopa. Na nkwasanyom boy be tun kwasanyom a bra chatala woli mu ho. Party ne ye hwe bi on social media. Eye fair. We will look at the legal angle of the celebration of the 40th birthday of the CEO of Bill Finance. To start with, the expose is that CEO no makwala ya wonu na ya adore no na ye mubi wo ho Bill Finance ya wonu na me 17 years old nti ye mehu na wo Oba Besha Baba Seno, Obetna blacksmiths down. On any year, no, the first year na with Jano. Inti minimum ashase. Edu time no. Yiri be fa me maame ne maame. Yiri be be fie ebe complaining about marital problems and issues. And some of them you are privy to what happened in their marital home. Every time you know, bill finance, divorce, divorce court, divorce and matrimonial court 2. Obana the case ni breme. And the docket ni breme same and kamenye mano. We read it through the docket no, and allegations, which are some of them are so damning. And looking at the relationship between me, Obano, and the bill finance man, I told the woman that offer case in my lawyer for. I'm privy to a lot of things as a lawyer. And if I wanted to go to Samaja Ubia and got bill finance man on who bet you papa because me so case moi. I'm going to court. Me so divorce case moi. Oh mama. Mun be say divorce judges no more high court. Mun be so more high court judges no more divorce. When me back court you ja. Into the CEO of Bio Finance, I had opportunity to do a divorce against you, but so because I didn't want to entangle you because I know you're beginning when you and I will be side area. You know my mother, Maurice Ampaw Bio Finance. You know my mother. God is that wouldn't be a fee or blastmates. I don't want to talk too much because I have so much information. I don't want to lawyer relationship confidential, so I can't tell those things to the public. But what I can say is that but my worry is that at 40, I was saying life begins at 40. My life begins so early for you at 20. But when you were struggling with your wife, some of us are aware. And it's not true. Say, Uko washi plate 500,000 plates. It's not true. I don't want to go there. Don't talk about those things. Where you make your money from, you know. Some of us know. Baby, you'll be any scafino, private and personal. Until it's a phone, but now I'm looking at the legal implication and the societal, the implication for our youth. The 40th anniversary celebration of a rich man in Ghana and the level of opulence. The case of opulence are me who be that. So be 40 years. Si cap young boy. You move in the time I want. Now you move in limba or tell your area move. And you need to be feedback. Now you need marital issues. Now 40 years the companies and also ongoing concern. A going concern. Sorry. Not 40 years now. You move to me shishime. And you say I'm getting worried. Because Nii Armah Ganyobi. No fene in a way. In a way. Ha! Ghana. I think about Gafio. What will be? What will be the warrior man name? No one he cried. Mukunyano. Neba shuake yeshka. Remember Chimu. Ghana had Ampaw exposés. Ni say, brado duano breno. Now, kakra mo ye no. Now be show off. Uko ga baby ofi ba no. The level of poverty. Onya blo wo enkrafo so. It's your choice. Una is scam. But to me, personally, I think say now celebration is of so excessive, and yet too massive and excessive. I don't know. We wanted to make a statement, but this statement is too much. It will go and come back and haunt you, mark it on the wall. Because you see, Nii Armah, that quiet guy, no be anymore. Not through your hard work. Any other man, what do we now? People were enjoying you on social media because of the way our working relationship with Bill's Finance. Then the way you were conducting yourself. No, you were succeeding in silence. Brilliant. No, you were succeeding in silence. Brilliant. But what happened? Now that you are now exposed yourself to the enemies, Ghana for you soon you buy ni ogbelo ye kan ayek paso ikedi bi le outbury for one meimu. Na dem ya say nipa do one na kasa no invite omo so omo ba party no uyimu nipa 10 about 7 enyi omumu about 70% of the people almost call partners, you know, they were saying, say, hey, where there is too much. Where there is, you cannot nyakwa. Where there say. Until no drinking, you know, do what I'm. And the people thing say, what of artist, where just Atawale, you know how Atawale will behave. What about that store boy? Until what store boy ni say uncle for Muniano. Shatter. Unimnusam akofa Tanzania the panel about the man shatter. You see, and then the people you brought around and how you are trending. Then the pain. Say me share the comments, the attack on my small boy. The way a man for ebimu sopano no ebimu yina ye. Ghanaians are divided over what is happening. Your party 40th anniversary party, no, you have divided Ghanaians. Omwa, what the pressure on you? You've put pressure on the youth. What the pressure? And then you put pay. What the pressure, my businessmen? What the pressure, my man for kunumu ni what have marriage so because near you know share on social media and say me could have because obi 40th anniversary for ikonana o hype no obi could the whole 30 years of the marriage no even signature to be top. Oh my God, Nii Armah.
Obet pa chira wadwene ama me e wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah Blog Media. Akra.